Before I start this video, I was reading online that it's getting harder and harder to find hand sanitizer. And I wanted to point out that yesterday I went to Sam's Club and I got this, how many ounces is it? 67.6 fluid ounces of hand sanitizer. I don't know, what was it, $6? Really reasonable. So you may want to check out your local Costco or Sam's Club. This is no longer available for online purchase, but there were plenty of them in the store, just in case. I got this one for work because just to be safe, see what's happening, wanted to have plenty of hand sanitizer on hand. So I know many of you are looking over your food pantry saying, hey, do I have enough in there in case I have to bug in for 2 weeks or 2 months? And I wanted to give a suggestion to you for something you should consider in your food pantry if you don't already have it. Know what it is? Yeah, pancake mix. This is 10 pounds of pancake mix. Again, I picked it up at Sam's Club. And this is the type of pancake mix that only needs water. Now, you can make 90 servings of 3 pancakes that are 4 inches. So, I mean, that's a lot of servings. Now, you might say, oh, but I eat more than that for pancakes. And that's fine. Even if it's only 45 servings. That's a lot, especially when you consider the price. This was $8.68 for the whole bag. So, that would be less than 10 cents a serving. For 10 cents, you get 3 4-inch pancakes. I mean, that would go a long way if you're bugging in. And that one serving would be equal to 180 calories. So, really a great thing to have in your pantry. But you might say, how could I ever use 10 pounds of pancake mix? Well, first off, I put this in my freezer so it'll last longer. But also, there's so many other uses for pancake mix. And I wanted to go into some of them today, and I wanted to show you. I'm going to show you how to do one of them here on the stovetop, but the rest of them I'm going to show you some slides. But you can make anything from entrees to appetizers to desserts with this pancake mix. Now you might be saying, well, I have Bisquick. How is it different? And it is different. First off, the pancake mix here has a 2-year shelf life and Bisquick has 1 year. The pancake mix also has sugar in it, egg whites, and buttermilk. And Bisquick doesn't. So you can see there is a difference. Depending on what you're making, Bisquick might be better or this pancake mix. But let me show you some of the things you can make. I think you'll be amazed. I'm going to show you a quick pancake mix hack using some of my canned turkey soup from November of 2018. Had to be after the Thanksgiving turkey. And we are going to make some quick dumplings. Now, you could use, Campbell's soup or whatever to do this too. But I'm just showing you how I do it with my home canned soup. So come along. So we want the soup at a rolling boil. So while we're heating up the soup, we're going to make our dumpling dough. Now you could simply add water, but I'm making this with some milk. So we're just going to add a little. There we go. Now let's stir it in. Okay, definitely need a little more than that. We just want a soft dough. We don't want a batter like pancake batter, so we're making a dough. This is getting about right. Now you could add any herb you wish, just like some thyme. I'm just adding just a little onion powder. Now we're gonna, and make sure you have clean fingers. Want to get this kind of sticking together. Is it sticking yet? I think we need just a little more milk. Just a little. Ah, that's getting better. Get all this in. Okay. See, it's still pretty sticky, but see how it's going more into ball? This is what you want. You can mix it in a little better. Now we'll be back when we get our soup completely up to a boil. Okay, it was a rolling boil. I've dropped our little balls in. I'm now putting the top on, and we'll be back in about 20 minutes. We want to turn it down to sim. Okay, let's get a little bite of our, some nice, get a little meat here. Let it cool off a little because it really is hot. Mmm. Delicious. Homemade quick dumplings with your home canned soup or with Campbell's. Either way it works out, and what a quick hack using pancake mix. So that's it. It's really simple, it's really easy, and it changes your soup, makes it more like soup and dumplings, or you could have stew and dumplings too. Now, let me show you some other recipes that use pancake mix in an innovative way. Well, we all know you can make a variety of different pancakes, but how about this one? Maple bacon pumpkin pancakes. Talk about the nutrition and I'm sure the good taste. Or how about a coating for fried chicken? Works just great. And you can use it too for a fish fry. Bet you didn't know though that you could use it to make a pizza. That's right. Or how about a bacon, cheddar, and egg casserole? That would mix up your breakfast. Or something you can actually, this is using little sausages. You can put a stick in the sausage and dip them into the pancake mix and deep fry them, and you have your own corn dog on a stick. Except it's really not a corn dog, it's a pancake dog. Or how about appetizer, bacon cheese appetizer bites. And this is kind of more like those Korean pancakes you get in a restaurant, but this is the pancake mix scallion pancakes. So easy to make. Or how about potato pancake? And one of my favorites is corn fritter patties. They are just so good. They're addicting. And of course you can use it to make buttermilk biscuits. Great thing to have on hand. Now we love onion rings here, and you can make an easy batter with it and batter your onion rings. Now my kids have done this. They have used the pancake mix to make funnel cakes, and they just love them. Could get a little fancier and make buttermilk crepes, and you could put anything from meat into them to fruit and jam, whatever you want. Or how about some nutty toffee bars? You can even make mini pancake donuts. And of course, if you can make donuts, you can make pancake mix donut holes. And of course, you can also make what I can't pronounce, clafoutis. Anyway, a cherry dessert. Or doesn't this look good? This is a cinnamon sugar roll-up. And here, cookies. Maple oatmeal raisin cookies. Boy, that sounds really, really good. And you can make those mug cakes, like a chocolate chip pancake mix mug cake. Those are really easy, and kids love them because they can make them so quick. You can also make a banana mug cake that way, or even a pumpkin pancake parfait. So really, there's so many ways you can use this mix. I really think if you don't have it in your pantry, you should think about getting it. And like I said, you might think, 10 pounds, I don't make pancakes that often. But what a great thing to have on hand. And look at all the different things you can make. Now, one of the things I suggest is make up a little recipe book with some of these. I'm putting all down below, all the links. So just copy the picture and the recipe, make up a little book, and then, just in case you would have to be bugging in, you could think of a lot of ways to use your pancake mix. This is Potpourri, and I hope your preparing for whatever comes, whenever it comes, and are prepping out of love, not fear. As always, please subscribe, share the knowledge, and thank you very much.